You're watching Zach and Friends, where the excitement never ends. So open your ears, shut your mouth before Sinead gets ready and knocks you out.
It's me again. What do you want? What do you want? Get up, get up.
What the hell do you want? I'm trying to sleep.
I don't care. Do you think I care?
Yeah?
No, I don't. Give me my iPhone.
This is yours.
Give it to me.
Trying to take that from me?
Give it to me right now.
Here. Open it in the car. Have a good day, sweetie.
I'm so
Bye.
mad.
Bye.
Let's get out of here. I'm gonna pull over for a second. I gotta check this. Do you call this an iPhone 7? Do you freaking call this an iPhone? Is this an iPhone 7 Plus? Here, let me just pull over on this cliff right here. This happens on a normal daily basis. I think it's time to get a new car. Just gonna get out. This car's seen the stays. It's great. How did I just get in the middle of the woods? What? I think it'd be alright if I just steal a person's car. They'll be fine with it. Hot and ready. I think I should go to the dealership to get a new car. We're here, time to get a new car. I guess I'm just gonna steal this car. I do every time. Dude, this is nice. An iPhone 7. Is it real? No way. There's no way it's real. Ah, fake iPhone 7, you're done. You're done. Don't prank me like that again. Don't prank me like that again. Don't prank me like that again. You're... Bye-bye. I'm out of here. Beep. I'm going to Claire's to get a new iPhone 7 and some clothes. We're here. Look at all these clothes. Fashion show. Oh, whose baby is this? I don't care. Oops. Oops. This was a good day. Tune in next week to see Gangster Grandma cook a cake. Bye. As always, this was Gossip Girl, and peace out.
Subscribe.